Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a margarita easily. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this classic cocktail. You will need a good quality Blanco tequila, freshly squeezed lime juice, and an orange liqueur like triple sec or Cointreau. Using fresh lime juice is absolutely key for that bright, authentic flavor. Choosing a decent tequila also makes a significant difference in the overall taste of your delicious drink. Now, let's talk about the perfect balance. The classic margarita ratio is 2 parts tequila, 1 part fresh lime juice, and 1 part orange liqueur. For example, you might use 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of lime juice, and 1 ounce of orange liqueur. This ratio creates a beautifully balanced drink. However, feel free to adjust the tequila to 1.5 parts if you prefer a slightly milder cocktail. Precision is important here. Once you have your ingredients measured, it's time to mix. Combine your tequila, lime juice, and orange liqueur in a cocktail shaker filled with ice. Shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This chills the drink thoroughly and properly dilutes it. Before straining, prepare your glass by rimming it with salt if you like, using a lime wedge. Then, strain the chilled mixture into an ice-filled glass and garnish with a fresh lime wheel. To elevate your margarita, consider a few extra tips. Using high-quality ice prevents quick dilution, keeping your drink flavorful longer. For a sweeter touch, add a 1/4 ounce of agave nectar or simple syrup. Don't be afraid to experiment with fruit purees like strawberry or mango for exciting variations. Always taste your creation and adjust the sweetness or tartness to perfectly match your personal preference. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.